The salt springs are located in the densely forested Guayaguayare area in southeast Trinidad to the south of Saunders Road. The topographic map shows the location of the spring on the southern side of a north-south oriented hill. There are also a number of rounded hills nearby. The dashed red line represents an abandoned road. The spring is located on outcrops of Trinity Hill sandstone and in proximity to the Salt Springs Fort. To the north are outcrops of Upper and Lower Cruz, Karamat, Sepero, and Lizard Springs. The last three are carbonate marls and are the source of dissolved carbonates that are later reprecipitated as tufa. Within the Sepero are Herrera sands, potential oil reservoirs. This geological spot map identifies 3 seeps and an area of mudflow. However, no evidence of mudflows was seen during a field visit. Tufa dominates the area. Nearby conical hills represent tufa deposits related to extinct springs. This structural cross-section illustrates the structural complexity of the area, with significant thicknesses of carbonate-rich rocks and potentially breached Herrera reservoirs. At the site of the seep, water is seen actively seeping from the ground, and there's a film of heavy oil either in the water or coating the ground. The water, when tasted, is very salty. The fact that vegetation grows very close to the seep indicates that they are salt tolerant.
Yeah. No, I think it was under his feet when he was walking.
Oh boy.
Strange, this oil are really smelling.
Oil? No, not really.
Oh, now smelling some oil.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat now.
Sink in there? That's not funny.
As the place getting quieter here.
Yeah.
These microphones in these phones real sensitive. People starting to walk back.
Huh?
No. You must save my walking up hills for and the other hills. Well, this is one oil seep they can't blame on Petrotrin.
Natural as they become.
In this close-up of the tufa, we see that there is no visible porosity. The brown staining represents oil staining, and the black globules are dead oil. In this close-up of the tufa, we see that there is no visible porosity. The brown staining represents oil staining, and the black globules are dead oil. Here we have a very fine grained sandstone. The dark greens are lithic fragments, and some people refer to it as Herrera. However, there is no visual porosity. It is calcareous, and the voids are coated with oil. More than likely, these are Moruga sands. Now, some concluding thoughts. This is the only area where saline water issues from a spring. The tufa is the result of the precipitation of calcium carbonate from brines. The origin of the brines may be unclear. It may be from Herrera sands of the Sepero Formation or from the Cretaceous. Oils are very viscous and may be from Herrera sands of the Sepero Formation or the Cretaceous. Brines are passing through predominantly carbonate rocks, dissolving the carbonate and rising to the surface where it is reprecipitated as tufa. The presence of lizard springs formation on the surface suggests that the Cretaceous may be in close proximity to the surface. There is no mud volcano or any kind of volcano present. It is an oil and water seep.